what's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy JB. You rocking with me and I'm rocking with you. And I want to welcome you guys back to the channel Stocks on the Go. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit the subscription button, tap on the notification bell, and pound on the like button, guys. It really does help with the algorithm of this video. Also, guys, please do remember to take full advantage of the links in the description, guys, for some easy ways to make some quick cash. It also helps out with the channel. All right, guys, so with that being said, let's jump into today's video. All right, guys, I hope you got your coffee, hope you got your tea, I hope you got whatever you sipping on, guys, but we're ready to dig into today's video. And guys, we're here to talk about NIO Inc. All right, guys, as you know, the last couple of days, NIO released their fourth quarter earnings. I did not do a video on that because, guys, if you all know, I am bullish on NIO, and I did expect them to beat their fourth quarter earnings. But what I seen after was what really surprised me. NIO said that they were going to deliver 25,000 vehicles or around there, 25 to 26,000 for the first quarter, which is this quarter for 2022. And a lot of people saw that as a negative. Guys, there's a lot of things going on in the world at this time that is causing a lot of shortages. So for NIO to come out and deliver 25 to 26,000 as a young company, guys, I think that that is amazing. And they've already shown that they can do what they are supposed to do. All right, guys, so let's check out the highlights of the fourth quarter earnings, and then I'm going to jump straight into the gist of this video. All right, guys, let's go. NIO reported fourth quarter revenue, which beat Wall Street expectations, though its first quarter revenue and delivery guidance came in below expectations. These are the results for the Chinese electric vehicle company's fourth quarter 2021 results. Adjusted loss per ADR, 16 cents versus 16 cents expected. Revenue, $1.55 billion versus $1.52 billion expected. Deliveries, 25,034 versus 24,945 estimated. NIO is forecasting its first quarter 2022 revenue to come in between $1.51 billion and $1.57 billion. Wall Street is expecting a $1.66 billion. So that's where they fell short for their forecast for 2022's first quarter earnings. Delivery guidance for the current quarter came in between 25,000 and 26,000 vehicles versus Wall Street's expected 27,959,000 vehicles. We concluded the year of 2021 on a strong note with an annual delivery of 91,429 vehicles in total, representing an increase of 109% year over year, despite all the challenges, including the supply chain volatilities in particular. William Lee, co-founder, chairman, and CEO of NIO, said in the statement.
2021 was a year full of challenges for NIO and the global auto industry. By overcoming the pandemic, semiconductor shortages, supply chain volatilities, and many other difficulties, we have continued to lead the premium smart electric vehicle market in China with a total delivery of 91,429 new vehicles in 2021, representing a strong increase of 109.1%.
So, guys, first, let's consider vehicle revenue for NIO jumped 49% in the fourth quarter and soared 119% over the full year, guys. Not too bad for NIO, considering that there's a lot of supply chain shortages, auto and chip shortages that continue to affect the auto industry. All right, guys, speaking of vehicle productions, NIO put up an impressive figure on the front as well, guys. Vehicle deliveries increased 44% in the fourth quarter, reaching 25,034 vehicles, and the full year delivery an impressive 109% up year over year, selling 91,429 vehicles, guys. That is amazing. And let's consider that this is without the sedan. This is without Neo's sedan that they are coming out with end of month. So with that being said, you can just think, guys, if you want to add in the ET7, the ET5 that's coming also, guys, this is going to be crazy. It's already mind blowing. And what I'll be doing today also, I'll be dropping a short video, guys, just so we can take a look at a actual new car owner. Because, guys, it's easy for anybody to sell a car. It's easy for any company to get up and say, hey, we're going to sell cars. We have the best cars over here. But is there a company that can distance themselves from their peers with that one-on-one service, guys, that nobody else has? And I think that company is Neo. And guys, I think after watching this interview with this Neo car owner, you'll get that feel from this company also, guys. I'm by no means your financial advisor. So before investing in any company, please do your own due diligence, guys. But I'm just getting the facts over here, guys. All right, let's continue. Sure, it might be nice to see deliveries ramp up faster, but considering what Neo CEO William Lee said on the earnings call, on the side of the supply chain, we are still faced with the challenges of the growing chip supply volatility, raw material costs increases, and the big C. In short, there's a lot for a younger EV company to be balancing right now as it grows. And yet, Neo is growing and fast. The company's sales and vehicle deliveries in the fourth quarter prove that, guys. All automakers are facing hiccups right now, guys. It's not only Neo. So guys, as an investor, I look with a long-term lens. Yes, this too will pass. These times that we're going through, the rate hikes, the war that's going on in Ukraine, God bless those people's soul also. We pray for them over here on this channel. With everything that's going on in the world, guys, everybody that passed away from the big C, God bless their souls also. You know what I mean? There's so much things that are going on that's actually affecting what companies can really do right now, or how much a company can do right now. All right, guys. So with that being said, I think there's a lot more room for Neo to grow. And I do expect to see that ramp up over this year, guys. My only concern, yes, is the US market. Not to say of us getting delisted or anything, guys. My concern is with the shorting that goes on in the US market from time to time, as we have come to realize, guys. It is just crazy over there. It's like a battlefield. But guys, I won't keep you waiting any longer. So let's jump straight into this video with a Neo car owner. And we'll just see if Neo is delivering that experience that we hear so much about. Neo is this great company. Neo is setting itself apart from the rest. And we all know that the leader in this space is Tesla, of course. But guys, just think about how big this industry is. There is a slice of the cake to go around for a lot more people. And if Neo can grasp that premium market for EVs, guys, we're going to the moon. And I just hope you got your seatbelts on, because it's going to be a ride. And also, guys, another YouTuber that I really love to check out, if you are a great Neo fan, you can check out his page also. He is Neo Trending. And he is just awesome, guys. He does a lot of in-depth research on Neo. And he's just a Neo nerd like myself also, guys. So with that being said, let's jump into this video. And once we're back, we'll just close up the video and I'll give you my price predictions and we go from there. All right, let's go back.
They provide lots of service. For example, the battery service, I think it's really convenient if you travel a lot with this car, not other than like daily commute. They have so many ways of like engage different owner of the car and then come together and they have health activity, and they also have Neo Day. It's like the whole party for the every Neo user. It's not the dealership store. They call it the Neo House. So maybe on the first level is the car showroom. On the second level is actually for user, for the car owner to hang around. They have cafe, they have seminar area. I think they have the library as well. So the owner can actually chill out. Yeah, for networking, for activity, yeah, as well.
So have you utilized that Neo House?
Yeah, I attend a lot of activity for like some wine tasting, like some seminar.
And that's free?
Yeah, that's free. Yeah. So I think it's more like a Chinese approach. They provide lots of service.
So when you had a Tesla, was there any service at all besides like
Not
here's your
at
car
all.
and you go?
Not at all. Okay. So yeah, the only service I use is to fix the car. Yeah, there's so many glitch. Neo is like the misfit of all the vehicle brand. If you make a comparison, like traditional car brand, and they sell you the car, and then once the car has a problem, you go back to the dealership, and that's it. That's the relationship with the car company. But Neo, they actually do so many steps further. So they want, they take care of your, basically every aspect of your life. The clothes you wear, they have a brand called Neo Life. They actually they have a department that design clothes. They work with different famous fashion designer. They design actually customized clothes for all the Neo owner, and they sell it on their apps as well. So they also sell so many things, like food, wine, whiskey, you name it. Yeah, pretty mind-blowing. The lifestyle company.
Wow, guys, and we are back. And as you heard, this owner said, guys, the experience is mind-blowing. It is just crazy. And I think that Neo is that company that will separate itself from its peers, guys, and will be that dominant leader in the premium industry when it comes on to EV vehicles. All right, guys, my thoughts for Neo. In the short term, guys, I do see Neo back in the $50 to $60 range. My expectations and long-term outlook for Neo stays the same. I'm still bullish. My short-term outlook for Neo, guys, I know that if you bought Neo in the 40s, 50s, you might be frustrated right now. I do understand that. But guys, if you have a long-term look on this company, you should be picking up shares at $19. That's just my thoughts. I'm by no means your financial advisor. So before you invest in any stock or company, please do your own due diligence. And guys, I'll continue to buy Neo under $20. That's just a steal for me. You know, it's your boy JB. I love chopping it up, keep building out that generational wealth, and I am out.